Alright guys, so in this video today, we're going to look at the two only things you need to start a YouTube channel. Now, I get it. So many people want to start a YouTube channel, but they are having some obstacles or challenges to start a YouTube channel. But for most of us, we're just coming up with excuses not to start a YouTube channel. Now, I'm not saying that all of us we should start a YouTube channel. What I'm saying is, if you've ever thought of starting a YouTube channel, it is so easy to start a YouTube channel with only these two tools that I'm going to show you or tell you in this video. Now, of course, there are other couple of tools you will incorporate in your YouTube once you get going. But what's important is you start going. It's so simple to keep going once you start going. It's so simple to keep producing videos and posting once you start producing videos and publishing. So I'm just going to go through these two main things that you need to know to start a YouTube channel. So guys, just before we get started with this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below. It helps to support the team behind this channel. Also, don't forget to comment with anything that you think we might left behind in this video, plus any video that you might want us to produce in the next coming weeks or months. This channel is for you. I created this channel so that I can teach you what I know in terms of scripting, shooting, editing, and publishing your videos on YouTube. So that is what we do in this channel. It's all about video creation, guys. So if you think there's something you don't know and you think that you want to know, please make sure you put it down in the comment section below. Otherwise, let's get started with this video. Now, no excuse whatsoever. Most people might start thinking that maybe I don't have a camera or maybe I don't have a microphone to start a YouTube channel. But I want to tell you, you don't need all these fancy equipment to start a YouTube channel. If you go right now on YouTube, you will realize there's so many videos that if you're keen, they're not even being shot by those expensive DSLR cameras. They're just shot by simple gadgets like your smartphone and just using the microphone that is attached to your smartphone. It is as simple as that. Of course, that brings me to the first point. So the first most important thing you must have, or you will need to have to start a YouTube channel, is your smartphone. Now, this alone is enough for you to start a YouTube channel and get going. When I began my channel, I only used to use my cell phone or my smartphone to shoot all my videos and my audio. I didn't even used to have a mic. Right now, I have a Lavelle mic that I'm using to shoot my sound. If you want to begin on YouTube, just start with your smartphone. Some of these smartphones have amazing video quality shooting capabilities. Plus, they also have amazing sound. They also capture amazing sound using the inbuilt microphone on these gadgets. So stop thinking about wanting to purchase or procure expensive equipments like expensive cameras and expensive laptops and expensive video editing softwares to start producing content on YouTube. Just get going, guys. Just get your mic, put it somewhere, or even you can just hold it like this and start shooting your first video. It is that simple. What's most important and what I want to emphasize on this video, guys, is just start shooting your video. Take your smartphone out and start shooting your video. Again, the Apple iPhones, the Samsung iPhones have amazing video quality shooting capabilities that you can use to start shooting good quality videos on YouTube. So that is the first thing you want to have. You want to have a smartphone. Now, if you don't have a smartphone, please, you must think of procuring one. You must have something to capture video if you're going to have your face on camera, that is. Now, we are going to talk in another video how to shoot faceless videos. For those who don't want to have their face on camera, those who are shy to starting having their face on camera, I'm also going to have another video talking on how to have faceless videos or how to have YouTube without showing your face on it. Also, it's a great way to share your content on YouTube if you don't want to put your face on YouTube. If you have a camera, even the better. Right now, I'm using a Canon M50 to shoot this video. It's an amazing camera and I even bought a specific lens for it. So of course, quality of this video is going to be higher than the quality of a video shot from your smartphone. Number two, the second thing that you will need in order for you to produce content onto YouTube is a video editing software. Now, I know the first question that is in your mind, oh, I don't know how to edit, or maybe you can't afford purchase or procure video editing software. Good news for you guys. Number one, it is very simple to edit videos, especially simple videos like this one. They're so simple to edit. You don't have to be an expert for you to know how to edit video. I was just talking to my friend last night when I came from the gym, and he was telling me he was paying somebody a lot of money for him to edit for him his videos. And I told him, you don't need to pay anybody money for them to edit for you your videos. If you're a beginner on YouTube, you can simply edit your own videos by your own self. It is very simple. There's simple video editing software outside there that you can learn in one or 2 weeks max, and voila, you start producing and editing videos by yourself and posting. Because guys, you must get this, when you start producing videos on YouTube, I'm sure you will not have all the money and resources to procure some of these expensive softwares. So you want to, as much as possible, reduce your cost to the minimum bearable that you be able to afford. Therefore, when you begin, just go on YouTube and learn how to edit videos by yourself. Now that brings me to the next point, which is how do you edit your videos if you don't have the software? Now guys, there is no excuse to this. Video editing softwares are so many outside there, and some of them are super expensive and some of them are super cheap. The good news is they are very good free video editing software. Some of the free video editing softwares include the following. So there are dozens of free video editing software, guys. Again, there is no excuse. So some of the best free video editing softwares include Lightworks. We have Adobe Premiere Rush, which is free. We have HitFilm, which is free. DaVinci Resolve, which is the one I started with when I was starting my channel here on YouTube. And then we have OpenShot, we have Shortcut, we have Blender, we have iMovie, we have WeVideo, and the list goes on and on and on. These softwares are completely free video editing tools that you can download right now and start editing your videos as early as tomorrow. So there is no excuse when it comes to editing your videos, because I hear so many YouTube beginners having this excuse that they can't edit their videos. Guys, I have cleared that out. No excuse. Go ahead, download any of these free tools into your laptop and learn them on YouTube in 1 or 2 weeks, then start editing your videos. It is that simple and straightforward. Now, definitely, of course, there are some pros and cons when it comes to using the free video editing softwares and the paid for video editing softwares. Obviously, for the free video editing softwares, you won't get so many features like the elements, the transitions, the titles, etc., like you'll get in paid versions like Filmora. Right now, I'm using Filmora X to edit all my videos, and Filmora X comes with amazing features, and it's a lot of inbuilt features that makes my work easy when it comes to editing my videos. So once, of course, you get the ball rolling in terms of shooting videos and publishing videos on YouTube, and you've gotten some traction on your channel, then you can go ahead and then you purchase some of these tools. Now, for example, Filmora X costs less than $70 per year. Now, that is quite affordable with regards to how much Filmora X can do for you. Like, the tool has a lot of features that comes with it, including free audio and music that you can use for your videos. Now, that is good news. Probably some of these free video editing softwares don't have some of these features, but for a beginner like you or someone outside there wants to begin on YouTube, it's okay to start with these free video editing softwares. First, some of them are super powerful, like DaVinci Resolve is one of the most powerful video editing software. It's even used by some of the producers in Hollywood. But DaVinci Resolve is quite heavy, and even some computers and laptops can't be able to take DaVinci Resolve. That's why I opted for the paid version, which is Filmora X. Filmora X is very lightweight and very user-friendly, especially for beginners and newbies who wants to edit their videos. So if you're interested in learning more about Filmora, I've put tons of videos in my channel that can help you to get started with Filmora. Again, it only costs less than $70 and you'll get value for your money. Filmora, but I'll probably leave a link below for you so that you can get Filmora and start using Filmora to edit your videos. So guys, those are the first two things you need to, of course, start a YouTube channel. Of course, the other things you might need when you begin, when the ball starts rolling and you start producing the videos, like you need some lighting. I'm having some lighting in front of me right here, right now, that is lighting me up so that you'll be able to see me better in my videos. But the lighting and the microphone that I'm using just came later, when now I've started seeing some traction onto my channel. When you begin, just get started with some natural lights and your smartphone. Natural lights, of course, are still one of the best ways to light the subject when you're shooting your videos. So just be in front of a screen when shooting your videos using your smartphone. You don't need to invest in so expensive lighting gears and equipments. The other thing that guys are going to need is you need to invest in your audio when the time comes. If you can invest in your audio even early enough, the better. Right now, again, I'm using a lapel mic, which I bought for less than $20 on Amazon. Some of this equipment are super affordable, and as you can hear from my sound, it comes out very clear, crisp, and precise. Because this lav mic that right now I'm having, it's quite good in terms of capturing the speech that I am I'm presenting to you right now. So if you're interested to taking your game to the next level early enough, I'm going to leave a link below to Lav Mic that you can purchase right now and start using to capture your audio or speech in your videos. So guys, that brings me to 4 things apart from the first two I've talked about that you'll need to start a YouTube channel. Of course, the first one we've said, guys, is you need a smartphone. If you don't have a camera, then you need a video editing tool because you must edit your videos before you publish them. The third one I've said, you might need to invest in lighting in the future. That's not a must when you begin. And then the fourth thing, which I also think is super important, you need to invest in some microphone so that you are able to capture the quality of your sound appropriately and audibly for your viewers and listeners to get exactly what you're saying. So those are the 4 things, guys, you need to so that you can start a YouTube channel. Don't overthink this thing. Again, if you only have your smartphone, go ahead and start shooting your videos. Use the sunlight, just be in front of a window and start shooting your videos. Now, needless to say, you're probably going to need a laptop to edit your videos. I didn't mention that, but I think it's obvious that you might probably need a laptop or a desktop to edit your videos. It is not easy to edit videos on your phone, but you can still do it. There are people who are editing videos on their phone and it's coming out well. In fact, there are free video editing softwares that are only tailor-made for your smartphone. So you can go ahead and even edit your videos on your smartphone if you don't have a laptop. So there is no excuse, guys. All the barriers have been broken for you to begin producing videos on YouTube. Now, finally, guys, and most importantly, you will need that willpower and to create a habit around shooting videos weekly or probably even daily, guys. It's work to shoot videos, it's work to script videos, it takes time to edit videos, and it takes time and effort to publish your videos on YouTube. So it's work, guys. You must be able to do the work. The videos are not going to shoot themselves, they're not going to edit themselves, neither are they going to publish themselves on YouTube. You must kind of put your ass down and get going with, first of all, of course, with scripting those videos, shooting those videos, editing those videos, and publishing those videos on YouTube. So you must create a habit in and around video creation, editing, and publishing on YouTube. Now, one way to do this, guys, which I learned from a very good book, from a very good author called James Clear. I think he wrote a book called Atomic Habits. He talks about making these things simple and having a laser focus on one thing, guys. You want to focus only on creating videos. You don't want to focus on so many things. If you begin your online journey, guys, start with one thing. Don't start with 3 things. Otherwise, your focus is going to be subdivided into different sections and you won't pay attention to one thing and therefore you won't produce what you want. Right now, this year, my main purpose is just to produce videos on YouTube and teach people on how to produce videos and publish on YouTube. That is what I'm doing almost all day, every weekend. I don't want to do anything else. Otherwise, my focus is going to be split, which is not going to be good for my productivity. So guys, you must create some habits in and around what you want. The second thing you want to do, guys, is you want to make sure that you craft or you spare specific times of the day for shooting your videos or editing your videos or publishing your videos. Like specific hours of the day where your main focus or your main work during those hours is just to do everything in and around your YouTube channel. For example, if you are familiar with working out, most people have a specific time when they go to the gym. For me, it's always between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. There is no negotiation. Every time the clock hits 6 p.m., it's my time to go to the gym. So have that kind of habit. What specific time are you going to spare in the course of the day, in the course of the week, where you channel all your energy, focus and attention onto producing, editing, or publishing your videos on YouTube? Have that specific time. Is it going to be after work? Is it going to be between 12 midday and 2 p.m.? Is it going to be the first few hours in the morning? Whatever time you pick, guys, stick to it and be loyal to it. Don't change it. Human being is to habits and our brain like it when we have some routine and habits. When you start doing something and the brain gets used to it, it becomes so easy so that when that time rolls around, you just know it's time to go and do things in and around your channel. Alright guys, so this video already has gone so long. I only wanted to share with you some of the 2 main things you need to start a YouTube channel. I hope you've gotten them. Of course, they have gone to 4. The first one we said you need a phone. The second one we said you need a video editing software. You might need some lighting. You are going to need, of course, a microphone and then a laptop. Finally, guys, as a bonus, please make sure you have a trimming video editing tool. Now, trimming video editing tool is a tool that is used to trim down or shrink down the size of your videos. Now, the reason why you want to shrink down the size of your videos is because you want to make sure it is easy to upload and stream your videos on YouTube or TikTok or wherever you want to post your videos. So right now I'm using this tool called Handbrake. Again, this is a free tool. You can download Handbrake right now and start using it as early as tomorrow. So use Handbrake to compress down the sizes of your videos for easy uploading and streaming. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you've gotten some content. I hope now you don't have any excuse to start a YouTube channel. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel guys, please guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give us one of these, the like, so that YouTube knows this is a great video that is helping you to learn more around creating and producing content on YouTube.